G'day guys. So I've just put together a i9 build for a customer. They dropped in the parts and got me to assemble it for them. A 12th gen i9, a 3060 Ti, in a fractal case. And anyway, the main point of this video is I'm on the Asus website looking up drivers for it. Currently I'm missing 2. And if I go down the list and go Windows 11, I hate it how they only have an individual thing in each spot. So for example, if I go audio and go show all, you get a couple of different revisions of the driver. You go somewhere important like chipset, and we're only seeing the serial I/O driver. Turns out there's an Intel management engine hidden under show all. And if I keep scrolling down, here's another particular driver that I'll require. So I hate it how on the the Asus website, how they have the show all function, they only show one particular driver for each category, even though there's actually many different objects that could be in a particular category. For example, software and utilities, we've got WinRAR version 6.1, so very odd for 2022 to have WinRAR, and we see a whole bunch of different versions. So I hope Asus gets their ass into gear and actually starts displaying what is required to be downloaded on their support page, not just what they choose to show one thing of in every category. Anyway, that's my rant, and I'll catch you guys later.